Are you looking for the best 1-inch SDS hammer? Everyone thinks the best-selling rotary hammer is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you're drilling into concrete day after day and need real power, not just flashy branding.
Product number 1. DeWalt 9-amp corded rotary hammer. First up is the DeWalt 9-amp corded rotary hammer, a budget-friendly option under $60 that caught my eye for its lightweight design and solid feature set. If you want decent concrete drilling power without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It runs on a 9-amp motor with 1100 RPM and 5300 blows per minute, delivering 2.21 feet of pounds of impact energy, enough for light to medium masonry work. The 4-mode selector gives you rotation only, hammer drill, hammer only, and vario lock for chiseling at precise angles. I also like the safety clutch and vibration control, which help during longer jobs. Plus, it comes with 3 drill bits, 2 chisels, and a carrying case, a nice bonus at this price. Now, some people complained about inconsistent build quality and the chuck feeling a bit loose over time. Here's the thing though, for occasional DIY use or small renovation projects, it holds up surprisingly well. Just don't expect pro-grade durability. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner tackling basement anchors or hanging shelves in concrete. Skip this one if you're doing daily commercial work. It's not built for that kind of abuse.
Product number 2. DeWalt 20V cordless DHC133B. Now, if the DeWalt's corded setup felt limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. The DeWalt 20V Max cordless rotary hammer. Priced at $149 as a bare tool, it's a favorite among contractors who need mobility without sacrificing power. If you want freedom from outlets on job sites, this is worth a serious look. It delivers 2.6 joules of impact energy with a brushless motor that maximizes runtime and efficiency. The rotating dial lets you switch between drill, hammer drill, and chip modes quickly, no tools needed. At just over 5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for overhead work like rod hanging or beam anchoring. DeWalt's 20V platform means you can share batteries with other tools, which is a huge plus if you're already in their ecosystem. Now, some people complained about battery life draining fast under heavy loads. Here's the thing though, that's common with cordless hammers unless you invest in high-capacity batteries. It's manageable with a spare. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who values portability and already uses DeWalt tools. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and don't own 20V batteries yet.
Product number 3. Bosch Bulldog Extreme 11255 VSR. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for all-day concrete drilling, the Bosch Bulldog Extreme. At $161, it's a step up in power and refinement. If you want legendary durability and smooth operation, this is worth a serious look. The 7.5 amp motor pushes 1300 RPM and 5800 BPM with 2.0 foot-pounds of impact energy, perfect for tough concrete and masonry. The D-handle design gives excellent control, especially overhead, and the vibration control really makes a difference during long sessions. I also love the vario lock system that lets you position the chisel in 36 different angles, super handy for precise work. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's a bit heavier than cordless models. Here's the thing though, that extra mass actually helps with penetration and reduces user fatigue in a weird way. This is perfect for you if you're a pro or serious DIYer doing frequent concrete drilling. Skip this one if you need maximum portability.
Product number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2912-20. Now, if Bosch's corded design isn't your style, this next one brings serious cordless power. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. At $279, it's the priciest on this list, but it backs it up with performance. If you want the fastest drilling in a cordless package, this is worth a serious look. It delivers 1330 RPM and uses Milwaukee's brushless motor tech for maximum efficiency. The auto stop feature is a game changer. It detects bindups and stops the tool instantly, protecting both you and the motor. Being part of the M18 system means you can swap batteries with over 200 other tools, which is huge if you're already invested. Now, some people complained about the high price and lack of battery included. Here's the thing though, if you're already using Milwaukee tools, the ecosystem pays off fast. This is perfect for you if you're a professional who needs top-tier cordless performance and safety features. Skip this one if you're a weekend warrior. Product number 5, Yellow Paw 1-inch SDS drill bit. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list isn't a hammer at all. It's the Yellow Paw 1-inch SDS Plus drill bit, and it's here because even the best hammer is useless without the right bit. At just $17, it's an industrial-grade carbide-tipped bit designed for concrete, brick, and stone. If you want to maximize your hammer's performance with a reliable bit, this is worth a serious look. The 12-inch length with a 10-inch flute gives you deep reach, and the 2-flute design clears dust fast, reducing heat and friction. It fits all major SDS Plus hammers, DeWalt, Bosch, Milwaukee, you name it. Now, some people complained about occasional tip chipping on extremely hard materials. Here's the thing though, that's rare and usually due to improper technique or hitting rebar. For normal concrete work, it holds up great. This is perfect for you if you're drilling large holes for anchors or conduit.
So, which one should you buy? The DeWalt is great for light DIY. DeWalt offers solid cordless convenience. Bosch delivers pro-grade corded power. Milwaukee leads in cordless performance. And don't forget a quality bit like Yellow Paw to go with it. Match the tool to your workload, and you'll drill smarter, not harder.